while ago, a couple of years maybe, I made this. Not hugely successful, but it's the first thing I made in over 40 years without touching a model kit. So, you know, it'll do. It's a yellow car. It's a Mini. Vroom vroom. Then, a couple of years later, oh, I saw this. I've already opened it, so it's not an unboxing or anything, so I won't be doing any of that nonsense. I must have got someone out in the box. I've already opened the instructions and then look-see. I'm going to be assembling some bits. It's basically spraying everything black. All these little sub-assemblies that are all going to be one colour. I should be making them first. Making all the seats, they're all going to be one colour. Not sure on the bodywork yet. I have a plan, but whether I do it or not, I don't know. Let's see. What could possibly go wrong?